Presenting Redmi 12 5G smartphone. It is available in the colors Jade Black. Gets smooth experience with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. The large 6.79 inches Full HD Plus display offers impressive viewing experience with 90 Hz adaptive sync and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The smartphone comes with IP53 rating for protection against water and splashes. Capture precious moments in high resolution with 50 megapixel AI dual camera and 8 megapixel selfie camera. Enjoy fast speeds with next-gen Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 mobile platform. It also features MIUI dialer, MIU with Android 13. Power through your day with a massive 5000 mAh battery which supports 22.5 watts fast charging. The box includes smartphone, power adapter, USB cable and SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty.